Hello, what's up guys, here's Sled, and today I will be sharing with you some of the most important decisions that we are taking for the Forge Island project. Last time I was sharing with you some of the issues that I was fixing for the Forge code. It was a bit more related for the Forge code perspective, but today will be a little bit different. Today we'll try to talk up with you about why we're taking so much time to release a project, why we're putting so much effort on this project, what are our expectations of this project, and all that kind of stuff. So well, let's get started. Basically, the main reason to delay the project is that we started to versioning Forge. We didn't have a way to keep track of every change that was being added for the Forge project. And as you probably noticed, there is a version number right now on the HUD on the bottom of the screen. And that simple number is allowing us to keep track of every change, fix, feature, whatever being done for the Forge project in the Forge code perspective and in the Forge as a map for Halo customization perspective. So basically we're caring so much about all the effort that we are putting into the project. So we want to keep a track where a bug was fixed or where a new feature was added and that kind of stuff. So this little number right here will allow us to do that. And with that comes a really good feature for you as a player or modder, developer, whatever, that will allow you to update the Forge project between versions. Basically, you're probably thinking that that's pretty simple. You just have to download the latest version and that will be everything. That will be the trick just to update the project. But we are planning to release this project using Mercury. If you're not familiar with Mercury, I will try to give you a simple explanation about Mercury. I will try to make a video about that in a few days. But basically, Mercury is an installer for mods for the game. It's a package manager for the Halo customization game, and we are encouraging and putting all of our hope to that project. And that we basically is going to do is that it is using semantic versioning to update the project that you are seeing right now, the first project. This beta 3 version, for example, can be updated to a beta 4 version by just downloading the difference between the beta 3 version and the beta 4 version. You have to download the entire mod again. You know, if you are familiar with mods in the Halo customization community, you know that probably when a new version of a mod comes, you have to download the entire package, the entire zip, the entire project again. You have to reinstall everything, and that probably will not be a problem for people with good internet speed connections and that stuff. But there are some people that has a pretty poor or bad connection, and they really care about mods that are not taking around 300 or 400 megabytes per mod, as Forge is doing right now. Forge is around 380, I think, about in size, in megabyte size. And you know, some of our beta testers didn't have like the code or the right connection to test and update their Forge build constantly. So with Mercury, we are aiming to provide you updatable features, updatable packages, I mean, for every kind of project. But right now we're using Forge like a pilot or proof of concept mod for the Mercury thing. I will try to describe this in a more deeper way in a future video, but today I think that's the main reason why Forge is being delayed, because we are really caring about how we are going to distribute and release this project and the upcoming features nearby. So, and the second thing is that we started to encounter different limitations with the Halo customization engine. Basically, we're taking the game to a point where we are not being able to feed any more content to the game, and we are really caring about optimizations. Definitely, we are taking too much time to provide the correct optimizations, but we are taking the correct the right time to provide you really good quality content. So we are like trying to reach a balance between optimizations and good content and stuff to provide the best experience as possible with the Forge project. And with that, we're trying to relay into upcoming features for Chimera, for a Chimera version, for server, because if you, as you probably don't know, Forge needs a server and a client code to work. So basically we are using SAP for the server code and we are using Chimera for the client code using Lua scripting. So we're expecting to have a way to deal with those limitations in the Chimera side, but in the client side, because we're using Chimera, but we are going to have troubles with the SAP perspective. We already have some troubles with the SAP perspective. I will try to discuss this, as I said, about Mercury in a deeper way in another video, but this will be like a summary of what is happening right now with the Forge project. I'm just trying to let you know what is happening. This is probably not that interest, but I think it will be a little bit better than just throwing you releases on the face and expecting you to play them without noticing everything new or whatever. But well, this is what I have for now. Apologize if I am making this too long, but there is a lot of information that we didn't post somewhere, or we are not like delivering in the right way to you. So there is some effort being done to provide these updates in a more concurrent way, but yeah, we are really going out of time, and we're trying just to provide you with the correct way and keeping you updated with all of this. So well, thank you to watch this video. Thank you by watching this video. I hope you enjoy it, and see you later.